Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bell loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star. I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
on a street in San Marino, beneath the moonlit sky. The tears from her eyes, they came without warning, as I held her in my arms, afraid to drown in memories. The flickering light cast shadows on the concrete. But you don't have to worry. You don't need to be afraid of hurting me. A short-lived love story on a street in Italy. Never thought that it would be enough to mend my broken heart. Afraid to drown in memory. The shadows, they are dancing in the street. Maybe I didn't need to worry. Maybe I should be afraid of hurting you. But you can't break my heart. It's already broken from the
Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars align. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made known. In the crowded streets calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high.
Moi, je trouve ça trop bon.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house.
Voilà, madame.
I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends.
Joyeux Noël.
Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around. Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you
Moi,
dream.
pour l'année prochaine, on va faire des petits déjeuners. C'est en Inde.
D'accord.